In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell gift cards on Squarespace. Gift cards are a simple way to boost revenue, let loyal customers share your store with friends, and keep sales flowing during holidays and beyond. On Squarespace, these are digital gift cards, which means no physical cards are mailed. Instead, buyers receive a unique code that works like store credit at checkout. Before you add one, make sure your site is on a Commerce Basic or Advanced plan and that payments are set up through a supported processor such as Squarespace Payments, Stripe, or PayPal. Without an active payment setup, customers won't be able to purchase the card. Now let's create the product. In your dashboard, go to Pages, open your store, and click Add Product. From the product types, choose Gift Card. This tells Squarespace to generate redemption codes automatically when orders are completed. Next, configure the details in the product editor. Start with a clear name, like Holiday Gift Card, or simply Gift Card, so shoppers immediately understand what it is. Use the description to explain how it works, noting that it's delivered by email and redeemed at checkout with a code. Add a branded image to help it stand out on your storefront. Even a simple graphic with your logo looks polished. Then set the values customers can buy, such as 25, 50, or 100. Squarespace currently doesn't support custom amounts typed in by the customer, so you'll provide a few preset options that fit your price range. Fill in the rest of the product details like any other item, then save and publish. Once it's live, the gift card will appear in your store alongside your products. To make it easy to find, you can place it on a dedicated gift cards page, feature it in your site's navigation or a homepage banner, and promote it through email campaigns or tasteful pop-ups during busy seasons. Here's how delivery works. After purchase, Squarespace automatically creates a unique gift card code. The buyer, or the recipient, if they were added at checkout, gets an email with the code and simple instructions. When the recipient shops, they enter the code during checkout to apply the gift card value to their order. That should cover it. You're ready to offer digital gift cards on Squarespace and give customers a fast, flexible way to share your store.